Hey guys, what's up? It's Daniel the Bearded Apprentice. Welcome back to the channel. Another week, another Monday. Good morning. Glad you're here. You're new, you don't mind smashing that thumbs up. If you're not new and you're here, smash the thumbs up. Either way, I do appreciate it. If you are new here and don't mind, consider subscribing. We have beard content, beard product reviews. We have men's grooming products. We have blue collar content. We have a little bit of everything here. But today's show is going to be about Saints and Sinners Beard Co. First impressions video. Right after the intro, I'll give you my first impressions and my initial opinion on the company. See you right after. Hey, welcome back from the intro. As I said, today we're going to be doing a first impressions video on Saints and Sinners Beard Co. This is the Summertime Gladness scent. A little bit about the company. The owner's name is Jesse. He's based out of El Paso, Texas. They will have a website coming soon. Right now, if you want to reach out and order, you can order through DMs on Instagram. Their Instagram is Saints and Sinners Beard Co. Excuse me. So, relatively new company. They came out the end of 2020. He had a post looking for reviews. He sent this out. We had a few shipping snafus. Stuff got held up here and there, and I finally got it after a while. And he's like, hey man, I don't have my oil labels yet. Your bottle will have a butter label, you know, and you just change the ingredients or whatnot. So first off, the ingredients on the 1 ounce oil. First impression, flat black bottle, bright label that pops, shiny, coated, black label or black dropper. The ingredients are emu oil, jojoba oil, excuse me, sweet almond oil, vitamin E, and fragrance blend, secret weapon. The scent profile on this is ginger, strawberry, tonka bean, and aquatic notes. So we'll give it a shake. And as you can see, the cloudiness is from the emu oil. I believe he has like a 60 to 75% emu blend, not quite sure. So right out of the bottle, I get the strawberry and a slight ginger scent, but I also get, it almost reminds me of Acqua di Gio cologne from Armani. But yeah, you definitely get the strawberry and the ginger. It's a very nice scent. Very nice, actually. Butter. Already, I'm not a huge fan of this type of container. If your hands are the least bit, greasy or oily or whatnot, they do tend to slip. Same sticker there. Ingredients are shea butter, emu oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E, and fragrance secret weapon. So the butter, I get more of the ginger, and then once again it reminds me of Acqua di Gio cologne from Armani. It's got that vibe. As you can see here, butter is super smooth, comes right out. I mean, emulsifies in with little to no effort. Warmed up, it does bring more of the strawberry, ginger, and Acqua di Gio. So the scent is consistent all the way through, between butter and oil. Once again, black container, shiny. I do not like these containers. They are not my favorite. There's another company or two that used to use these, and these were my complaint. But other than that, he sent out some stickers. I don't know, these two are the same. Super cool. Love stickers. As I said, a combo will run you 30 bucks for an oil and butter. If you want, you can DM him on Instagram to place an order. Website's going to be coming soon. He said real soon, actually. As far as the channel goes, We do have a Thursday night live stream at 10 p.m. Eastern time right here, Blue Collar Beards. I have guys from the community. I have other reviewers on. I have company owners. I have, you know, different kinds of content. We always have fun. You come meet new friends, come, you know, hang out with your old friends, see a regular, you know, everybody's welcome, no judgment. Everything's available to talk about except politics and religion. We keep that aside because everybody is different. Every beard is different. Every beard has its own opinion. So on that note, guys, let it grow. Learn something new today. And I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Hit that thumbs up. Drop a comment. Maybe subscribe. Either way, I do appreciate you for stopping by and checking out the video. Later, guys. Good night.